Hi everyone. I just arrived Balibagu, Angeles. I want to go to Georgi apartment, new apartment when he already live. And I want to show to you his apartment and where location. His location near Angelic Premier Residence. Cabanas, near Cabanas. Cabanas. I don't know what is Cabanas. This is Georgi place now. He live here. No ID, no entry. I have ID. Good afternoon. I go to my friend George. He live here. Have swimming pool. Oh, good. This is office. Office work from 9 to 5. Have another swimming pool. Same. Okay, I go to Georgi room. Oh, cats. Oh, very hot. Cat for cat here, very hot. They sleep. K. Georgi shoes. Lazada delivery. Hi Georgi. I want to show to your room. Oh. Georgi live here. It's okay?
Yes, yes.
Clean here.
Tomorrow clean room.
Tomorrow will clean. Helmet. Microwave, refrigerator, it's already have.
Yes, everything.
TV,
TV, aircon.
Aircon, I don't like this type of aircon, but maybe noisy.
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 And it goes there. But bed here.
Mm-hmm.
In other apartments, you can look other rooms.
Mm-hmm.
Aircon like this. Side.
Location aircon is okay, not to your face. It's better.
But very hot because last
Yeah, I feel very hot here.
very hot.
So look little bit older. I mean, I think it's how long we built. It's an old house, maybe minimum 5, 6, maybe 10 years. Maybe need to ask, but it's okay if you like. But last night you don't have electric power.
Yes, heavy rain.
Heavy rain, don't have electric. Don't have generator in this.
Maybe 4 or 5 hours.
4, 5 hours don't have power.
Yes, I think yes.
But don't have generator here.
No?
Because I know many apartments have generator. And hotels have generator. Okay, Georgi, it's good room, but very hot. I don't know.
Yes.
Maybe because you not open the door. Need to open door. And fresh air. Did you try swimming pool already, Georgi? Why, you don't like swimming pool? Ага.
And it's better. Same location. It's better.
Mm-hmm. Where you are from? Here. Okay. All occupied rooms.
No, not all. They have room there.
Ah,
26 maybe, I
uh-huh.
don't remember. Maybe somewhere. But the price I pay 18,000. It's only this room.
Only another room
Another
expensive.
room expensive, more expensive.
Maybe
They
bigger?
have two-story room there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember how much. 25 maybe.
Mm-hmm. So this is more cheaper, 15,000
But also-
for 6 months contract.
If 6 months, they tell me 15.
15,000.
But I try only first month.
So you pay 18.
And electricity I consume more than in previous place.
I think because
Two times more.
you know why? Because it's aircon,
Yes. aircon
so much
costs
power.
more.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's why need better new aircon. You can change aircon. But silent is good. Silent here. Don't have motorcycle, cars. Only hot.
Yes. Sometimes in Saturday and Sunday, someone swim in this pool and noisy.
Swim? Swim and
Swim.
noisy for you?
Swim because some Filipino sometimes with kids swim in
Ah, if kids is okay, of course, noisy.
it's from maybe 9 or 10
Morning.
Yes.
Are you sleep this time?
Usually I swim. Yes.
Yes, I sleep also.
So they swim, they talk video conferencing.
Uh-huh. Video call with boyfriend. Maybe. Okay.
This may be fun, right?
Okay. Okay, Georgi, I will go to home because I don't want traffic now already. 3:40, 3:30. Are you go to take video today? I know in Walking Street. Today Friday, Georgi. I hope you can take video good. Many people asking, Georgi, not to run. Please not run. Or maybe someone, I know, someone maybe follow you, that's why you run. That's joke only, Georgi, don't worry. You walk how you can.
No, it's because if I walk very slowly, maybe someone want to talk,
Kill you.
someone wants to stop.
Okay, okay. Okay, Georgi, see you. I will go. Thank you. I park my motorcycle here. Oh, dead battery now. Dead. 9.7 only. Because this motor, it's already 4 years and I use always long time. Even tire need to already change. Battery need to change. Okay, I will go to buy new battery. This battery already dead. 5 years maybe I use this motor. Not change battery. Already need to change. I will bring this battery to shop in Vedau and change. I have this tool. I always with me. It's good, so I can repair something. I take this battery, and I know shop in Vedau. If you return and they give me discount and I can buy cheaper new battery. I will show to this shop. Oh, Prime City Hotel renovate now. Under renovation. As you know, before it's closed, but now they renovate. Maybe Korean phone already. Hi, hi. Take care, take care. Oh, also, this is club, also under renovate. I don't know, they remove something or what they do it. This is new club before. Eureka. I don't know, maybe Eureka already changed name. Property for sale. Maybe already sold out, I don't know. Also before here Korean store, now already not Korean store, already laboratory and dental clinic. No, thank you, I don't want. Prepare for night. Nighttime many people eat here. Another dental clinic. City Dentist Dental Clinic. Heavy traffic. That's why today I use motorcycle. Adobe. 55.60 today. Friday 27. Same. $55.60. I take video apartment. You live in this apartment also?
Yes.
My battery is dead in the motor. That's why I go to change.
I didn't recognize you because...
Because I use helmet. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, see you. Okay. Hey, what's up? I know this girl. Always walk here. holiday. Don't have so many people now. Good. Margarita station. Old. Close. Close. Oh, here can repair gadgets. Xerox also here. It's good.
Hindi, sabi niya, babalik siya kasi.
Seven-Eleven. This way, Georgi, after 2 hours, after 1 hour I will walk. That's why I will not go to this way, to fields. I will walk to another. I will walk near Astra Park. And I will check what we can do in Astra Park. All jeepney go inside as parking for jeepney. Jeepney park. You don't know what we will do. You don't. What we do here? You don't know.
This one?
Yes. Why we?
Skyway, 4-way.
For Skyway.
Yeah.
So it's already not park. Okay.
That part is small.
Park is small.
There.
Park small, but it's for Skyway. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for information.
Welcome.
Thank you. No, it's okay. It's for Skyway. Now we know this is road for Skyway. So I need to go to another side. Okay, don't have cars. It's college, popular college in Angeles City. Jackson College. students want to eat. So many students eat here. Street foods. This jeepney go to Angeles from Conception. Escat to Tarlac. Bamban, Tarlac. So this jeepney going to Tarlac. Tarlac, Kapas. This to center of Angeles. Before, yes. That's why I want to show to my channel about It's My Life Philippines. It's My Life Philippines. Yes, YouTube. It's my all together.
It's my wife, Philippines.
Not my wife. My life. No, maybe have also channel It's My Life. It's My Life Philippines.
Is this your?
Yes.
I know this girl.
If you know her, you know me. Because I'm also in this video. Yes, it's Shaira.
Kamachilis siya yun eh.
Yes, Kamachilis, yes.
Phase 2.
Phase 2, yes. That's why I go to this shop.
Pamela
Pamela is
is...
her sister.
No, yeah.
Pamela her sister, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I already many times go to this shop already. All my cars, if need change battery, I go to here. That's why I go far from the, no, for maybe 2 kilometers to this shop. I will buy in Yamaha because in the store don't have a motorcycle. That's why I will go to Yamaha and Yamaha Aerox, new model. Good. Thank you. Thank you. How much? 94,000. This is Yamaha Aerox. Same my Yamaha Aerox. Cash 124,000 peso. Same my Aerox. Sniper. Sniper 147. Oh, but why Sniper expensive? No, it's same. It's not Sniper. It's Yamaha Aerox with ABS maybe. That's why expensive. YTX 125. It's popular. Tricycle driver use. And I want to buy new battery from Yamaha.